Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile foods in Asian cuisine, tofu. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or just tofu curious, this guide will help you pick the perfect type of tofu for your next meal. First up, let's talk about silken tofu, often called the creamy classic of the tofu world. This variety of tofu is incredibly soft, creamy, and delicate, with a texture that almost melts in your mouth. Its smoothness is unmatched, making it a favorite for many dishes. Because it falls apart so easily, it's not suitable for stir-frying or grilling. Even a gentle touch can cause it to crumble, so handle with care. Silken tofu is perfect for adding to soups like miso, blending into smoothies, using in creamy desserts, or mixing into rich sauces. Its versatility shines in both sweet and savory recipes. Think of it as the yogurt of the tofu world. Blendable, ultra-smooth, and ideal for creating creamy, luscious textures in your favorite dishes. Next is soft tofu. It's slightly firmer than silken, but still tender and spoonable. Soft tofu is great for Korean sundubu jjigae, gentle stir-ins for soups, or soft tofu scrambles. It soaks up flavors beautifully while keeping a delicate texture. As we continue up the firmness ladder, let's take a closer look at medium and medium-firm tofu. These types of tofu strike a wonderful balance between softness and structure, making them incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Unlike silken tofu, medium and medium-firm varieties hold their shape much better, so they can be lightly sautéed, pan-fried, or even tossed into salads without falling apart. Their texture is soft enough to absorb flavors, yet firm enough for easy handling. These tofus are perfect for recipes where you want a tender bite but need the tofu to stay intact. Think dumpling fillings, hearty braised dishes, gently cooked stir-fries, or even soups. Their adaptability makes them a staple for both traditional and modern recipes. Here's where tofu truly shines and becomes incredibly versatile. Firm and extra-firm tofu are the stars of the show. These varieties are what most people reach for when they want tofu that can do it all, from savory main dishes to protein-packed snacks. These are the workhorses of the tofu family. They hold their shape under pressure, absorb marinades deeply, and crisp up beautifully in a pan or air fryer. Whether you're looking for a chewy texture or a golden, crunchy bite, these types deliver every time. You can use them for classic stir-fries, tossing them with vibrant vegetables and your favorite sauces for a quick, healthy meal. Or slice them into thick tofu steaks, perfect for grilling. Just marinate, grill, and enjoy those beautiful char marks and smoky flavor. You can even cut them into bite-sized pieces for crunchy tofu bites, ideal as a snack or tossed on top of salads for extra protein and texture. If you want tofu that behaves almost like meat, firm and extra-firm tofu are your best bet. They're hearty, satisfying, and can easily stand in for meat in almost any dish. And then we have super firm, sometimes labeled high-protein tofu. No pressing needed, it's dense, chewy, and honestly perfect for people who want a meatier texture. Just slice, season, and cook. It's great for skewers, pan-searing, or even making tofu jerky. Don't forget specialty varieties like smoked tofu, fermented tofu, and pre-baked tofu. These come packed with flavor and can be eaten straight from the package or added to quick meals on busy days. Tofu comes in so many textures and flavors that there's truly something for every dish and every palate. Now the only question is, which type of tofu are you most excited to try next?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.